Matt, Joe, thanks for joining me here today in front of this beautiful 505, Bell 505. Joe, I know that you've flown this, the Bell 505, thousands of hours. I'd really like to hear your opinion on why this aircraft is such a great fundamental trainer.
Absolutely love the 505. When I talk to a customer, my highlight points are going to be the sheer power in the aircraft that you have available to you, the situational awareness you have in the Garmin 1000, the safety that it brings to you, and the handling qualities. The handling qualities now allow us to do full touchdown auto rotations. It's very simple to conduct them.
Matt, auto rotation.
Yeah.
Why? Why would we want to do them?
When I look at the Bell 505 from a training perspective and I put on my Army instructor pilot hat, the reason we need to know how to do that in my mind is that, for a combat aviator, the last thing we want to do is have that first, no kidding, actual auto rotation to the ground. It shouldn't be the first. It should be one of many that have been trained in the past.
Its capabilities, as you guys have both talked about, is the right aircraft at the right time to train the future of Army aviation.
It's still that basic, fundamental, primary training helicopter, similar to what we all trained in our military experience, but it just adds that glass cockpit that helps them transition more smoothly into their combat aircraft, and then that FADEC-controlled engine just creates so much greater safety margin to where it's taking care of the over-temp, the over-torque, the over-speed. The recovery from auto rotations is such a simple task. It makes it such a great training helicopter.